I'm Althea Valenzuela from grade 9 Philippine Cobra FCS student. Today, I will discuss the kitchen brigade system, specifically the hot kitchen brigade and cold kitchen brigade in a first-class restaurant. The following are the members of hot kitchen brigade in a first-class restaurant. Executive chef or the chef de cuisine, the head of the kitchen responsible for overall management, menu creation, and kitchen staff supervision. Saucer, the sauce chef who is responsible for preparing sauces, stews, and hot obra, and often cooks sauteed dishes. Grillarden, the grill chef who prepares all the grilled foods. Rôtisseur, the roast chef who prepares roasted, broiled, and braised meat. Entremetier, the vegetable chef who prepares vegetables, soup, starches, and eggs. Frito-chair, the fry chef who prepares fried dishes. Tournant, the roundsman who can work in any station as needed. Commis, the junior chef who assists the station chefs in food preparation and cooking. Following are the members of Cold Kitchen Brigade in a first-class restaurant. Charcutier, the butcher who prepares and processes meats including sausages and cured items. Butcher, the one who cuts and trims meat and poultry. Patissier, or the pastry chef who creates pastries, desserts, and breads. Glacier, the chef who specializes in making ice cream and frozen desserts. Sure, the decorative chef who designs and creates showpieces and decorative elements for cold dishes and buffet. And last, commis, the junior chef who assists the garde manger and other cold kitchen chefs with food preparation and plating. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned.